Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, October the 24th, 2024. Not so good news today because we have only three regular puzzles: the Three Stars Sudoku, the Four Stars Sudoku, and the Tectonic with 3 stars. Um, Only these three puzzles because in today's newspaper there are no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No extra puzzles. No additional. Yesterday also no additional. Day before also no additional. Well, it's coming up the holidays. Yes. Autumn holiday. Yeah. All right. No problem. Let me solve these three regular puzzles. News of today, well, dinosaur fossils discovered in Hong Kong for the first time. Well, I've been there maybe 20 years ago. That's big news there. Let me see. The first Sudoku will be a 3 stars. Let me move this up so I have more space. The first one, 3 stars. Number, this will be number 9477. 9477. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. It's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle has always 25. This one has 1 digit more, should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 15. No. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. 3 stars puzzles, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 1. We have 6 and a 1 in this big square, so no 6 and a 1 in these 3 boxes. 6 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 1, 6 and 1. What are these 3 missing numbers then in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7. 7 and 8 we have here in the middle row, so no 7 and 8 in this box. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 2 then. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. In this big square, should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8. 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 4 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then 7 here. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and then 9. So 1 digit left in this column. For number the 1, the 2 is missing. Three missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8. And look, we have 6 and 8 in the third row. So no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left should be this 7. Alright. Done. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Three missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 5. Well, here can be 5. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here can be 5. We have 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. So the only place left with 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left with 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 7. Then 4 and 8. Well, in this row we need an 8. These two boxes can mean 8 because we have 8 in this big square. No 8 in these two boxes. Here can mean 8 because we have 8 in one of those two boxes. In the last column, no 8 there. So the only place left with 8 should be here. So one digit left in this column for number 7 here. I need a 7 here and 7, 4, 9. Okay. Then 5, 5. Need a 3 here. Need a 2 there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left in the fourth, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2. Okay. 3, 3. Well, we have a pair in this big square. The 3 and the 4 in this row, third row. The 3 and the 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. What are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 1, 7, 9. And look, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. We have a 7 in that column, no 7 there. So the only place left with 7 should be here. So the other 2 should be the 1 and the 9. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then 6, 8, and I need a 2 here. Need a 9 here, need a 9 there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, I'm thinking. Yeah. Need a 5 there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column. Third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 in the row below, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright, do we have all the 5s? I believe we have all the 5s, and all the 5s are used. I can't see digit number 1, number 5. But 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for 8 should be there. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 here, okay. How about, need a 3 there. Oh, 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 9. Alright. Need a 1 there. In this row, we need a 1. Here can be 1 because we have 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. So the 4 and the 9 are left. Okay. Yeah. The 1, the 4, the 6, 1, 4. Okay. 3 and a 4. Yeah. Come on. 2. 2. Need a 2 here. 2 there. Need a 4 here. Yeah. What is 6? Missing the 6. 6 and the 8. 2. Need a 7 here also. I'm stuck. Come on. I'm stuck. 11 minutes. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. No. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. And look, we have 1 and 6 in the middle row. No 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left now in the third column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, now only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, okay. So the 1 and the 6 are left here. I need a 9 here. Means I need a 9 there. Yeah. Difficult part. 1, 6, 4, 9, and need a 2 there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Here 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 9. Oh, wait. 4 and a 9, overlook this 9. So this can be 9 anymore. That box will be a 9. This box will be a 4. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Overlooked. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the row below, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4, A should be there. Then, let me see. About the 2. 2 in this row, last row, 2 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, first row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 numbers left now, the 6 and the 8 are left in the second row. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6 then. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be here. 6 and a 1, we have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 6 in this row, last row, 6 in the row above, so that row, the only place left with a 6 should be here. 1 in the 6, we have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 1 goes there. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. The 1 in the last row, the 1 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left with 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then 1 box left now in the middle column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finished in 16 minutes. Well. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star if I'm faster. Anyway, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.